Welcome back, guys. Today we are partnering up with Coleen Hair. This is their 13x4 Bohemian curly wig and the length 24 inches. When I bleach the knots, I add the amount of product that I think I would need for the entire wig. And once every knot is covered, I set my timer for 15 minutes, and once that 15 minutes is up, majority if not all of the knots are already done. But you can set your timer for 5 minutes for 15 minutes just to make sure that you're not over bleaching your knots. Go in with the infamous purple shampoo, and everywhere that I apply the bleach on, I let the shampoo marinate and sit on it before rinsing everything off completely. While this process is going on, be sure to just detangle your curls. So just a sidebar, I love how the curls stayed in this unit. With certain hair companies, once you throw in your curly Bohemian curls or your curly wig, the curls fall apart, but with this wig the curls still stayed and they're still very defined, so that was a plus for me. Do not always have to use the bald cap method to get a flawless install, but I like to do it. I felt like doing it today. I think sometimes within the wig community, people think that you have to do a bald cap method, and that's not true. So you guys know I do like to cut my lace into 3 or 4 parts. This is just easier for me. I can get my lace to lay way better once I make 3 sections on the lace. I cut my lace into 3 sections, and I also lay my glue down in 3 sections. So I always start off with my middle section. I apply 2 to 3 rounds of glue, and once I feel like the glue is 80% dry or tacky enough, I go ahead and lay my wig on top of it. I repeat this method for every section, so 2 other times. Before I lay everything flat with my elastic band, I like to cut off the lace and go ahead and spray spritz on every end. The Ghost Bond and spritz combo is the most elite, underrated combo when it comes to laying down your hair. I like to do light baby hairs when it comes to my install, and with this particular look, I think fluffy baby hairs would really go nice with this hair type. Using your baby shaped flat iron can help you get the perfect edges. I went ahead and used the Got2be Glue Gel to hold down my edges, but I prefer using a holding spray and spraying it onto the brush and then laying it on the edge. I did reach for the closest thing near me, which was the Got2be Glue Gel. So we have the edges figured out, and now it's time to figure out what hairstyle we're going to do. I decided to do the 2 curls in front while having a half up, half down look. This hairstyle brings out the Bohemian curls. With that, I did not use a lot of product to define my curls in the front. I only used mousse. I like to use the KeraCare Wax Stick to help me hold my hair into place. This product does just that without leaving any waxy residue or any oily residue. With putting our hair in a ponytail, it does cause a lot of tension in front of the lace. I went ahead and put an elastic band on top of my hair again, just so the wig is secure during this entire process. I did not want the ponytail for my half up, half down to give helmet, so I did go ahead and use a flat iron just to make my hair lay as flat as it possibly can. Although this is not my real hair, I want it to look realistic. So after several attempts, I did decide that this ponytail was okay. I was okay with how it looked like. I'm using my flat iron on the two pieces of hair just to make sure that it's not bulky and that it's also sitting flat and nice as well. And for my ends, I go ahead and use mousse. I do not use any water. I mean, if you want to use water, you can. It doesn't really matter, but mousse does the job as well. So once I'm done with that, I go ahead and do my finishing touches. This is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I tried something different today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to today's video and I'll see you in the next one.